Professional results at home. Use cordless with a 60-minute runtime or plug it in. Full-size lightweight chrome clipper perfect for quick clips, fresh fades, and more. Hygienic grooming. Use cleaning brush and oil blades once a month. Cleaning brush and oil included. Innovative grooming tools. From hair and beard clippers to trimmers, shavers, epilators and home haircut kits, Conair makes high-quality grooming tools for men and women. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers and ear, nose trimmers, ladies' shavers and oral care. Conair makes personal care tools for your daily routine. Warranty. Limited 5-year warranty. Conair Cordless Rechargeable 22%. Home haircutting kit. Chrome. This Conair 22-piece haircutting kit has what it takes to tame hair of all different types. Cut your own hair, your friends' and/or your family's hair with this all-around men's grooming haircut kit. The men's hair clipper comes with long-lasting, self-sharpening stainless steel blades that are durable and precise. With a 5-position taper control, and the included blades, you get 55 different settings for a vast array of hairstyles. This hair clipper kit has an optional power cord with a rechargeable battery. That means you can use the hair clipper without a potential tangled mess, and also use it with the cord for longer periods of use. It easily connects to the included AC/DC adapter for fast charging. Top reviews from the United States. Great cordless hair clippers. I like the cordless option because if the battery dies, I can plug it in and keep going. With a cordless-only device, you have to wait until the battery charges in order to keep using it. With cordless, I plug it in, use it, then leave it charging for the next time. But, I haven't had to do that, yet. The battery lasts a pretty long time. It has a nice case with a handle and all the hair clip attachments you would need. I get my hair cut in 15 minutes, and didn't have to drive anywhere.